Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the original, the real, the authentic, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube imposters, commentaries, or trolls, and this is Pittsburgh Paranormal Unboxing. We have a book here, Strange California Monsters. I thought it was a book about Gavin Newsom and Nancy Pelosi, but no, it's not. So, there it is. And I'll have to use a lantern to read the back of the book. Meet California's legendary monsters in this guided tour from the sea where life began to the Golden State's scenic lakes, majestic mountains, brooding forest, and rumored alien tunnels beneath the streets of Los Angeles. First I heard of that. The illegal aliens are digging tunnels. Carved beneath a giant vulture with a wingspan of 25 feet in the San Bernardino County. See a 30-foot long flying slithering serpent bird in Riverside County that matched the speed of a train. Tour the lost underground city connecting LA to Santa Monica Bay, where lizard people were dropped off by a meteor shower, and so on and so forth. So, unique survey of California's unidentified monsters, scores of creatures, hundreds of sightings recorded, fully referenced with source notes and a monster index. And here is a chupacabra. So there's a wonderful chupacabra. Okay, I will read this book and review it later. I'm going to Patty's today, and let's see. Let's look at some of the chapter headings here. We have Seeding Monsters. We have, or Seeking Monsters. We have Persistent Reports of Living Dinosaurs in Africa. What that's to do with California, I don't know. We have I don't know what that's here. Hold on. It's sea serpent. It looks like an old illustration. Long Beach, Newport Beach, 1901, Long Beach, 1909, Santa Barbara, 1909, Venice Beach, 1912, A Strange Fish, 1912, 1914, San Clemente Monster, 1914 to 54. Here's something washed up in the beach. A merman. It's like an old illustration of some kind. Malibu, 1963. San Francisco Bay, 1985 to 2004. Freshwater Phantoms. Lake Elsinore, Lake Tahoe. Hodges, I don't know what that is. Lost Lake. I don't know. He's detailing it, but here's some kind of alligator creature. Crocodilians. Leering lizards. I'm really not sure about this book because he's using pictures of snakes in the grass. He's using pictures of real animals, but he's not showing me not a lot of evidence here. So, Thunderbirds. Witnesses report birds the size of small aircraft over California. So, got a plane and a giant condor, but it's probably something photoshopped. A reconstruction of a Toratorn. Here's some kind of giant bird, but not the actual giant bird. Let's see. More illustrations. Cougars. Well, we all know about cougars. And here's a tiger. Tiger can be sighted, but you know, it's not paranormal. Saber-toothed tigers, wild woolly creatures. Here's one, new Sasquatch found. It's called Bigfoot. So, the famous blurry Bigfoot shot, the usual blurry Bigfoot photo, an illustration of a Bigfoot family. So, you know, I don't know if this is, and the famous Bigfoot film that really looks like, to me, like a guy in a suit. And this one amused me. Weekly World News. Bigfoot kept lumberjack as love slave. That's not on George nor your heart pellet. And so it goes. Stranger still. Lizard people. The chupacabra. I didn't know chupacabra being seen in California, but there's an illustration of one. You ever notice nobody has photos of these things or videos, and he has end notes, lots of end notes. This is by Michael Meadows. So this, I'm not thrilled with this book, but I'll read it, let you know. And a long bibliography of a lot of stories and books and articles. So, I don't know, I may have gotten taken on this one. But it's another edition of my paranormal collection. Sorry. Alright, I don't do well at 2:30 in the morning. Okay, this is George Senda. I will review this and let you know. Have a great day. $101 to take the scooter to Patty. I'm going to have Patty pay for part of that. That will go out at noon, and the scooter will be gone. This giant chair will be gone, out of the way. It'll be on my bed, and I can clean up my floor. Stay cool, stay dry, stay wet, stay hydrated, stay safe, and watch the skies. More items are coming in related to the paranormal and otherwise. I got something yesterday. I got a video to post. And once I get back from the wilds of Patty's environs, I will be going shopping and then going to bed. So, no live video tonight, but I'm going to be very tired running around all morning and then fighting my way to figure out how I'm going to get home. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night and a great day, and I'll see you next time, and watch the skies. Bye-bye for now.